Hello guys, today is Saturday, January the 18th, 2025. We are now in Kampung Baduy, a village of indigenous people of Baduy, which is located in Lebak Regency and Banten Province, Indonesia. The Baduy people are an indigenous ethnic group known for their strict adherence to ancestral customs and resistant to modern influences. They live in the Kendang Mountains within the Lebak Regency in a protected area that helps preserve Baduy people way of life. The Baduy are part of the Sunda ethnic group and are divided into two main subgroups. The first is Baduy Dalam or Inner Baduy. People in Baduy Dalam strictly follow their ancient customs, which they call pikukuh, and reject all modern technology, including electricity, vehicles, and even footwear. There are only three villages in Baduy Dalam, namely Cibeo, Cikesik, and Cikertawana. Those three villages are completely isolated and visitors must follow strict rules to be able to enter to Baduy Dalam. The second is Baduy Luar or the Outer Baduy. They serve as a buffer between the Inner Baduy and the outside world. While they still follow many traditions, they are more open to limited modern influences, such as wearing colored clothing and using some technology, such as cell phones. But there is no electricity and electronic devices in their homes. These two subgroups collectively inhabit an area of approximately 5,101.8 hectares in Kendang Mountains of Banten Province, Indonesia. Now we are in Kampung Baduy Luar. So, today I'm going to show you what the Kampung Baduy Luar or the Outer Baduy looks like. Now we are heading to a village called Kampung Gajebo, which is famous for its bamboo bridge. This is the last village in Baduy Luar before entering to Baduy Dalam. It will take approximately 2-3 hours to get to the place, depending on the path condition. And since today has just rained, the path is going to be very slippery. It means we need more time to get to the village. If you are interested to go to Baduy Dalam, you have to prepare yourself well, because physically you must be very healthy. Since to reach the closest village of the three villages in Baduy Dalam can take about 5 to 6 hours on foot. And in the rainy season like this, the paths are going to be very slippery, which means we need more time. What makes Kampung Baduy is an interesting place to visit actually. Kampung Baduy is an interesting place to visit because it offers a unique cultural experience, natural beauty, and a peaceful escape from modern life. Here is why people find it fascinating. The first is authentic indigenous culture. The Baduy people strictly follow ancient traditions, living without modern technology, electricity, or vehicles. Visitors can witness their hand-woven fabrics, traditional bamboo houses, and unique way of life. Yeah, as you have seen already, the Baduy Dalam or Inner Baduy community still avoids modern clothing, shoes and outside influences. The second is beautiful natural scenery. The village is surrounded by the lush Kendeng mountains with forests, rivers and rice fields. Visitors can enjoy trekking through forests and crossing bamboo bridges. The third is peaceful and spiritual atmosphere. No phones, no cars, no electricity, just quiet nature-filled retreat. The Baduy people practice a simple, sustainable lifestyle which can be inspiring for visitors. The fourth, unique handicrafts and souvenirs. The Baduy women create hand-woven fabrics, bags, and traditional bracelets. Their textiles are natural and handmade, using materials from the forests. The fifth, local culinary experience. Visitors can taste organic rice, honey and fresh fruits like durian, rambutan and langsat. I think you have seen a lot of durian in front of Baduy people houses. Those plenty durians are actually for sale. Durian is very cheap in Baduy because there are plenty. During the season of durian, which started from December, January until February. I will talk about what durian is later. If you have a chance to visit the Kampung Baduy, you should try the food of Baduy people. Baduy people cook the food using traditional methods without modern seasoning or preservatives, so it's very healthy. You should try it. Finally, the sixth, easy access but still secluded. Kampung Baduy is located in Lebak Regency and in the province of Banten, just 4 to 5 hours from Jakarta. It is a great option for a weekend getaway while feeling like you've traveled back in time. Population. According to the data from Desa Kanekas, as of 2021, the Baduy population is approximately 13,200 individuals, distributed as follows. Baduy Luar or Outer Baduy around 11,700 residents, and Baduy Dalam or Inner Baduy approximately 1,500 residents. These communities inhabit 65 villages with 62 in Baduy Luar and 3 in Baduy Dalam, namely Cikesik, Cikertawana and Cibeo. So there are only 3 villages in Baduy Dalam. It's important to note that population figures can be varied due to different data collection methods and time frames. Now I'm going to tell you about Baduy people culture and lifestyle. Clothing. Inner Baduy only wear white traditional garments, symbolizing purity, and a black headband, while the Outer Baduy wear dark-colored clothes. Housing. They live in houses made of bamboo that thatch roofs built without nails. Agriculture. Baduy people practice slash and burn agriculture, mainly growing rice, and do not use modern farming tools. Spiritual beliefs. Their belief system blends Sundanese animism and Hindu-Buddhist influences, worshipping Batara Guru. They avoid formal religions like Islam or Christianity, travel and restrictions. The inner Baduy do not use modern transportation and travel only on foot. They also prohibit photography in their villages. Wherever Baduy people go, the inner Baduy people go outside their village, they don't wear sandals and they go on foot. So they can walk 100 or 1,000 kilometers without wearing sandals. The women of the Baduy people mostly engage in traditional activities such as weaving and textile making. They create hand-woven fabrics using traditional looms, often making clothes from natural materials. They also farming and gathering. They help cultivate rice and gather forest resources while following strict environmental conservation rules. Women of Baduy people also do household duties like cooking, taking care of children, and maintaining their simple and traditional homes. Following traditional customs, Baduy women adhere to their community's strict customs, including dress codes, white and black clothing, depending on whether they are Baduy Dalam or Baduy Luar. And some Baduy women, especially from Baduy Luar, sell handicrafts, honey and woven bags in markets. Visiting Kampung Baduy. Tourists can visit the outer Baduy villages, but the inner Baduy areas are strictly limited. Visitors should respect their customs, avoid bringing modern items like plastic, gadgets, and etc., and dress modestly. Besides, it takes approximately 5 hours to reach the closest inner Baduy on foot. It can take more time in the rainy season. Are you interested to visit Kampung Baduy? Kampung Baduy is approximately 120 to 150 kilometers from Jakarta. The travel time depends on the mode of transportation. So we can take train and ojek or angkot to go to Kampung Baduy. Yeah, we can take a train or KRL commuter line from Jakarta to Rangkas Bitung. It will take about 1.5 to 2 hours from Jakarta to Rangkas Bitung train station. Then from Rangkas Bitung station, we can take an angkot or public minivan, yeah, or ojek to Ciboleger. It takes about 2 hours to get there. Now I'm going to tell you about durian. Kampung Baduy is also famous for its durian fruit. A lot of people come to Kampung Baduy during the harvest season of durian, usually in December, January and February. You know, mostly Indonesians love durian very much. The Baduy people cultivate durian in their forests, and it is considered a prized fruit, especially during the harvest season. Durian famous for its strong smell, thorny outer shell and creamy flesh. It is native to Southeast Asia, especially Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand and the Philippines. Characteristics of durian. So the fruit is large, oval shaped with a thick and spiky shell. It has a very strong smell and distinctive. Some people love it, while others find it overpowering. The taste and texture of durian. The flesh inside is creamy, custard-like, and varies in flavor from sweet to slightly bitter, depending on the variety. And the color, the flesh can be yellow, pale white, or even orange, depending on the type. Why durian is very famous in Indonesia? The first, it has unique smell. Some people find it fragrant, while others compare it to rotten onions or sewage. Many hotels and public transport systems in Indonesia and also in Asia in general ban durian due to its strong odor. Second, it has rich flavor and nutrition. Durian has high calories, vitamins, and healthy fats. And durian is considered a delicacy and an energy-rich fruit. The third, it has cultural significance. In countries like Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, durian is highly prized and used in desserts, snacks, and even savory dishes.